Whoa! Oh, what is that? Great Scott, Jacob.
Ian, I think what we have here is a brown-bodied jiggler.
A brown-bodied jiggler? No. Look at those moves.
You can tell it's a brown-bodied jiggler
Yeah.
because it's brown and it's jiggling.
Woo!
Quite simple, actually.
I like it. Woo!
Yes. I see movement. Take a look for yourself.
A big gulp.
Look at that big gulp. Oh, yeah. I tell you what, I can totally go for a big gulp right now. Let's catch them.
Let's do it.
No, they're dangerous.
Okay, let's not. Let's get out of here.
Yes.
What? Stop! What? What is that? I don't know.
There's something there.
I can't see anything.
Oh, it's there. He's gone. We missed him. Great.
Whatever, man.
Look who it is.
What's up, guys?
What's up? Oh, what's up, guys?
Oh, hey, guys. You adventuring too?
Right on.
See ya.